Are you looking for the best stick welders? In this video we will look at some of the best stick welders on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Forney Easy Weld 298 ARC. This 110-volt welder has an inverter power system that generates a 90-amp output with 120 volts. Inverters are more efficient than transformers, so they increase the efficiency of your welder, save you money, and manage the current and temperature better. This stick welder is also TIG capable, so long as you buy the correct attachments and torch. This welder includes an 8-feet electrode holder and ground clamp, along with a flowmeter and a chipping hammer to remove any spatter. It has a duty cycle of 30% at 80 amps, and it weighs just 9.65 pounds, making it one of the lightest stick welders on the market. It also means it is highly portable. Number 2. AHP Alpha TIG 200X AC/DC. This welder uses inverter technology, but it also incorporates pulse width modulation, ensuring the maximum amount of power load without dissipating any wasted power. It all adds up to greater control with minimum efficiency loss. This Alpha welds stainless steel and aluminum, as well as thinner materials, which increase your repertoire of skills and adds to your versatility. It will weld 0.25-inch aluminum and 0.375-inch mild steel. It features a high-frequency hot start function to get the arc going right away, and it has a 60% duty cycle at 200 amps. It means that for every 10 minutes, this welder will keep running for 6 minutes between stoppages. This welder has one of the most reliable and longest-lasting power sources in its class, and it is all down to the PWM technology, along with the inverter. It makes this welder a class leader for efficiency. It also enables the user to switch effortless between 110 and 220 volts. Number 3. DEKOPRO 110/220V. Okay, if you want a lightweight welder, get one with inverter technology. Inverters enable you to regulate the arc's quality, but they are more efficient and precise than heavy-duty transformers. However, they don't have the same capacity handling load that transformers do, so it might limit your workload. This stick welder is suitable for welding mild steel, stainless steel, aluminum, and other non-ferrous materials. It is a go-anywhere welder, weighing just 12.1 pounds. It makes it the ideal welder if you are looking to take your skills on the road. The package comes with a stick torch, power adapter, wire brush and earth clamp. The inverter replaces heavier and less efficient transformers as a means of controlling the accuracy of the arc. Also, inverters are lighter and more advanced, so they can deal with adjustments more rapidly. Number 4. Lotos Non-Touch Pilot Arc. This is the first outing on the list for Lotos. This is a 3-in-1 welding machine with plasma cutting capabilities, making it the best all-rounder. When you need versatility to carry out repairs on the spot, this is the tool to use. It TIG welds and stick welds, but it doesn't MIG weld. The plasma cutter torch cuts through painted, rusted, and uneven surfaces, producing minimal slag in the process. It uses non-hazardous compressed air to easily slice through stainless steel, alloy steel, mild steel, copper, and aluminum. It is a dual-voltage machine with a hot strike arc feature that creates an easier arc, making it more stable. Using a plasma cutter to slice through metal makes life easier. It also means that you can switch the cutter into a welding machine and get straight to work when you need to join the two pieces.